Hey guys, I'm teacher Omar. Welcome to my classroom. In this video, we're going to practice describing other people. Let's begin. Her hair is red. She has red hair. Her eyes are blue. She has blue eyes. She has long, curly hair. She has short black hair. She has gray eyes. She has straight brown hair and green eyes. They have straight brown hair and brown eyes. It has short curly red hair, but it doesn't have green eyes. We have black hair. Moving on to questions. Please pay attention because towards the end of the video, you will be asking the questions. Let's begin. Does she have long black hair? Yes, she does. Does she have short red hair? No, she doesn't. What color is her hair? Her hair is blonde. What color are her eyes? Her eyes are blue. Who has long curly hair? Is it Mary? Is it Rose? Is it Kathy? Who? Right. Kathy has long curly hair. Who has short curly hair? Is it Mary? Is it Rose? Is it Kathy? Who? That's right. Mary has short curly hair. Now it's your turn to ask the questions. I will provide the answer and you put the question together. Answer: yes, she does. You ask the question. Answer: her eyes are green. You ask the question. Answer: Kathy has long curly hair. You ask the question. Great guys, this is all we've got for today. We hope you enjoyed it and were able to pick up on new information to help you with your English. If you find value in this type of content, please share, like, and subscribe. This will help other people who are also interested in improving their English find these videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media accounts at Classes with Omar. Bye for now.